If you want slim, toned legs without building bulky muscle, this 10-minute workout is for you. We're targeting the inner thighs, outer thighs, and glutes in a way that strengthens and tones. It's completely beginner-friendly, requires no equipment, and there's one specific technique we're using today that helps shape your legs without adding bulk. By the end of these 10 minutes, your legs should feel lifted, activated, and lightly shaking. Let's start. First, we'll warm the body up by circling one knee towards the outside, then the other. Inhale left, exhale right. Getting ready for our side-to-side squats. Shift your weight right, then left. Move with control and feel the inner thighs opening. Grab the ankle with both hands and push back as you get into your quad stretch. Switch sides. Let's get into our workout. Feet hip width apart, heels are grounded. And as you lower, I want you to keep the back as straight as possible. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift up with control. Keep going, just a few more. Next exercise is the sumo squat. Your feet are going to be a little bit wider than regular squat stance, and the toes are pointing out. Lower with control. Press through the heels as you come up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Next, you'll lower into sumo squat, and as you rise, you lift the heels up. Lower squat, Rise up and stretch the legs as you come onto your tiptoes. Few seconds rest. Now we'll do in and out squats. We'll step out with the right, center, left, center, inhale right, center, exhale left, center. Keep going. Nice work. Place the feet hip width apart and get ready for our calf raises. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up, squeeze the calves. Exhale, lower. For the next exercise, we'll keep pulsing in squat position. This is the last standing exercise, so give it your all. Almost done, keep going. And you're done. Come onto hands and knees. Extend the right leg back. Now left leg. Lift with control. And don't forget to breathe. Keep the core tight so you don't arch the lower back. Bend the left leg to 90 degrees and make small pulses at the top. Focus on engaging the glute muscle. Amazing, let's switch sides. Right leg bend and pulse. For our last exercise, extend the left leg and pulse back. The movement comes from the glute, not the lower back. Switch sides. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, great job. I'm so proud of you. You just trained your legs and booty with such control and intensity. That's how you build lean, toned muscle without bulk. If you want to complete this and really sculpt your lower body, pair this with my 10-minute beginner abs Pilates workout. It tightens and strengthens your core so your legs look even stronger and more defined. I link it here so you can go straight into it next. And if you enjoy simple, effective workouts that keep you lean and toned without bulk, subscribe and join me here. I post new videos every week. Let me know in the comments how your legs feel right now. And if you made it to the end, give this video a like so I know you want more like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.